Newsletter sign-up pop-up invites website visitors to share their emails and receive your news and updates regularly. This pop-up shows an average conversion rate of 5.1%, increases email sign-ups by 63%, and contains one or more input fields. Stay tuned and learn how to create a newsletter sign-up pop-up in a few minutes. Let's go to your account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free in a few clicks. Click on the New Widget button and select the Template Library option. Now we see a variety of Claspo's ready-made templates. But we need a newsletter sign-up pop-up, so let's choose the pop-up layout and the Subscribe to Newsletter use case. You can also choose a desired industry and theme for a quick search. This template looks good. You can change its color scheme to match your branding and move on to editing. Here you can customize all the template elements for your website. Replace the image. Change the text of your message. Add or remove input fields. And adjust buttons. In preview mode, you can see how your pop-up looks and check how the drop-down list works. Let's also check the display on the mobile screen. Looks great. All you have to do next is set up a pop-up and embed it on your website. Our following video guide will help you cope with it easily. Now let's see how your newsletter sign-up pop-up looks on the website. We did it! If you want to create your unique pop-up just as quickly and easily, go to Claspo and start right now.